Hello and welcome back. And today we are going to see how to merge queries. Merging queries simply means I'm having two separate tables and then you join those two tables based on a common column. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate to see how we can merge two tables together using a common column. So first of all, let's get our data. Okay. No. So let's go to file and then it's a text and CSV file. So let me locate where my files are kept on my desktop and AdventureWorks. And in this file, I'm going to use AW sales data. Okay, so I'm going to use AdventureWorks 2015. Okay, so the data is loading. Let's wait for a while. Okay, there we have it. Let's go to transform data to open the query window. Okay, so let's add one more data to it, and it's going to be the AdventureWorks products. Okay. Okay. So right now we have two tables over here. So let's take a look at the various tables here. Starting from the AdventureWorks 2015 sales data, we have order date, stock date, order number, product key, custom key, territory key, and then we have order item, order line item, then have order quantity, and we have, I think that's all. So that's all for the AdventureWorks 2015 sales data. And let's check on the products to see the columns that we have there. We have product key, we have product subcategory key, we have product, and then product name, model name, and product description, product color, product size, product style, product cost, and then product size. Now, looking at these two tables, we have a common column, which is product key. It exists in the products table, so as it exists in the sales table. So we have product key, then from AdventureWorks we have product key, which means these tables give us a clear scenario or a clear example, or it qualifies for us to merge the two tables. So the question now is, how do we merge the two tables? First of all, let's click on AdventureWorks 2015 and then go to merge queries, and then we have okay, so on the home tab we go to merge queries, and now merging queries add additional rows to existing rows. So we go to merge queries. Merging tables will add columns from the other table to the existing table. So the merge query option, we have merge queries and merge queries as new. If you merge the queries, you have a very long table, and then if you should we choose merge queries as new, to create a whole new table with containing the two separate tables. So for this video, let's go to merge queries as a new table. So our first table is AdventureWorks 2015, and then our second table will be products, and then based on the product key column, so you have product key in AdventureWorks 2015, and then AdventureWorks products do we have product key. So you see the selection matches 2,630 out of 2,630 rows from the first table. So click on OK, and a new table has been formed, and then we have all the columns from both tables merged together to form one table. So the first, I think 6 or 7 columns belongs to AdventureWorks sales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the first 8 columns belong to AdventureWorks 2015 sales table, and then here is the AdventureWorks product, so we have to expand it. Okay, Now we have AdventureWorks product key followed by the subsequent columns. Right, so that's how to merge tables to form a new table. You can merge more than two or three tables depending on the tables having the exact same column. Note, there's one thing that you should know. The fact that you can merge tables to form one table doesn't necessarily mean that we should always merge tables to form one table. The best practice for you is to create relationship between tables. So let me show you something. Okay, let me delete this table and then let me close and apply. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so it's downloading. Let me show you something. Here it's called a relationships tab. Let me remove the newly created table, delete from model. Yes. Okay, so as you can see now, we have the two tables over here, and there's a relationship between AdventureWorks sales and AdventureWorks products. And should we check the relationship, you see the product key in both tables has been linked. So to make your work more beautiful and more understandable and to be able to create good visualization, you should avoid using merge queries. You should only use them when it's necessary.